Prairie Line Trail was the first transcontinental railroad connection to the Puget Sound. With its completion in 1873, this railway shaped the early development of Tacoma and stayed in use in some capacities until 2003. Now, approximately a 1-mile segment of the historic rail corridor is a proposed walking, biking, and interpretive trail that, when finished, will link the University of Washington-Tacoma campus, the Brewery District, the Museum District, and the Thea Foss Waterway.
This has been a great partnership.
In September 2014, the first segment of this new urban trail opened at the University of Washington-Tacoma campus.
When the opportunity became available for this piece of property to become ours rather than an active railroad, it made great sense to us to incorporate that into the legacy of rebuilding downtown Tacoma.
This section of the trail was intentionally designed as a linear park and line to connect with and enhance the surrounding urban environment.
The park at UWT is a really interesting concept. Most campuses have a green, a place for gathering and bringing people together, the students and the faculty and the staff. And this serves that function for us. We haven't really ever had that function at UW-Tacoma previously.
Through some thoughtful design work, a trail segment was created that aims to meet many different interests. Materials used to build the trail are reflective of this industrial part of the world. Old elements were kept and showcased and mixed cohesively with new elements.
We always get great renderings from architects and artists about what it's going to be. And many of the people who have come here to see it have said, this place, which has never happened, this place is better than what the design said. Design usually overpromises what reality would be, and in this case, reality has beaten the design.
The City of Tacoma and UW-Tacoma partnered together on this section, as well as in continuing the work of building this bike and pedestrian trail along a larger portion of the historic Prairie Line corridor.
The city's been a fabulous partner and an essential partner to making this work from the very beginning. We, in fact, have set a standard that now the city, who is developing the other components of the Prairie Line Trail, have said we want to try and look something like this. We want to be as good a place as this place is in our sections of the trail.
This innovative section is setting the groundwork that will continue to transform the downtown area, all while preserving the past of the historic rail corridor.
This is a place that was a place that we sort of avoided because it was an active railroad, and now brings all these different communities together on our campus.
The City of Tacoma will construct the next section of the trail in the summer of 2015, connecting to the University of Washington-Tacoma campus trail segment and resulting in 2/3 of the planned trail's completion.